Now let's name these black keys already. Whereas the white keys are called naturals, the black keys are called sharps and flats. A sharp looks like a hashtag symbol. It means you go one note or semitone to the right. The other is a flat, which looks like a little B. It means you go one note to the left. We can name each of the black keys using sharps and flats. We're going to start with just the sharps. From C, you can go one note or semitone to the right for C sharp. D, one to the right, that's D sharp. F, one to the right, is F sharp. G, G sharp. A sharp. Easy enough. And the flats are the same way, just to the left. From D, we can go to D flat. E goes to E flat. G, G flat. A flat. And B flat. But if this was C sharp and this was D flat, what do we call this? Either name works. It's C sharp or D flat. Both names are technically right. It's going to depend on the context for what it might be written down as, which is why we need to know both names. And also, E could technically be called F flat or vice versa. It just depends on the context of the song. See you next time.